What's up, superstars? On this video, we're going to be covering a quick guide into easily placing your DTF order on our website. We do have a much detailed version if you want to get into the specifics of ordering, so make sure you check out that video if you want to watch that. But here's a quick guide to get you going today. So first thing we're going to do is head on over to our website. It's going to be TransferSuperstars.com. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the order now. This will take you to the order form page. And the next thing that we're going to be doing is just loading up the artwork. In this particular case, we're just loading up two different types of artwork here. So I'm going to be loading up a pocket tee, and I'm also going to be loading up a rear back print. So these are the two files. You can load up to about 16 files at once. So and if you want, guys, this is the pop-up for the newsletter. Make sure you guys click on that. We have some very helpful tips that are posted on a weekly basis. These are the files here. It's already uploaded. So there's two files here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy both of these file names here so we know exactly how to tackle this. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be resizing this to 10 inches in width. And so here I just choose the drop down 10 inches in width, and then I'll choose the quantity of 10. And then for the pocket tee, we're going to be doing 3 inches in this particular case. So we'll scroll down to the 3 inches, and then we're also going to be doing 10 pieces. If there's any artwork services like a basic color swap or anything like that, you can go ahead and choose that here. But in this case, we're just going to leave it, keep it nice and simple. We'll do a regular standard production. We're going to go ahead and do local pickup. If you want to get it shipped, we have a flat rate shipping there as well. Last thing we're going to do is we're just going to fill out our information. So let's go ahead and fill out your email. This will allow us to properly invoice you. So you do want to make sure that this is filled out completely, especially if you have a different shipping address. You want to make sure that you guys enter that so that it ships to the right address. Now, once you have all your information filled out, you can go ahead and click on the submit button. When you click submit, you'll see that please wait, let it load, let it finish loading up all your artwork. It'll get uploaded into our servers, and then it'll take you onto a confirmation page that will say success. In this page right now, don't click anything, don't refresh it, leave it. You will get a page like this that says thank you for your order, and it is going to be received in our system, and we'll go ahead and get back to you in a few hours. And that's basically how you submit the order on our website. Once you've submitted your order on our website, our graphics team will review the files to make sure that everything looks good. We'll communicate via email, and if everything checks out with your artwork, we'll send you a payment link for you to check out with. Once your order's ready, we'll send you either a tracking notification, or if you're local, we'll send you a pickup notification via email or text message. If you have any questions regarding the ordering process, please drop a comment below so that we can assist you further with our checkout. Or if you have any other questions, please let us know. If you want to watch a more extensive video where we cover the ins and outs of ordering your transfers with us in a more detailed way, please check out that video. It's going to be helpful if you guys want to get into the very specifics. My name is Phil. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe button, support the channel. I'll catch you guys on that next one.